it. I told you, I said, open it. I'm not going to hit you. I said, open it. Why couldn't
That Batsadi Bumkosi is a recording that was shared by Yolata, Uncle Vinny's girlfriend or ex-girlfriend. Hi, get your family. Welcome to all trending Mzansi. You were Batsadi Bumkosi, not Uncle Vinny's girlfriend, sharing screenshots, pictures. Batsadi Bumkosi alleging that Uncle Vinny has been physically and financially abusing her. She stated that they started dating last year, and within a month, Uncle Vinny was already moving around, changing girl after a girl. But he was allegedly cheating. He then lost his job and lost his phone. He couldn't find means of making an income. So Uyo and later thought that it was cute for her to invite Uncle Vinny to her place since they were dating and kind of like save him from the embarrassment of being broke. But because again, to where it was the beginning of her troubles. Uncle Vinny changed this year allegedly on the April of 2026. But whereby he started abusing her physically, emotionally, and financially, allegedly. Let us see on what people had to say. Domestic violence is a no-no and we should deal with the consequences. However, this is why gents should never ever be dependent on a woman. And I mean never. Lord knows how much money Vinny spent on this girl, but the moment he was most vulnerable, she uses that to break the internet, a tweet said. He cheated within the first month of dating, forgives him, let him move in, and he continues. And you saying it hurts that you know you are the only lady he has ever done this to. So it's okay if it were more. The boy is talented. He had good social media following. Why is he wasting his time doing nonsense? Fame can be hard for these kids, another one stated. Someone cheats on you and you reward him by moving with him in your own place, nalapo. This one is a bit tricky, but the photos they do show that Uyoleta was allegedly assaulted physically, and the screenshots of their conversations they cut deep. You can see the thread there whereby Yoleta was telling him that you were willing to use a weapon on me, allegedly. God knows what would have happened at that particular moment. And then Umjita is saying that he's aware and he's sorry. Hayi kuningi impela. I don't know why people misuse the opportunities that are given to them in such a manner. If a relationship doesn't work out, why are you still there? Leave, because now you'll end up ruining your own career over umjolo. Please do leave your comments down below. What do you think about this trending issue? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Bye.